Cold and flu season is upon us, and elderberry syrup is a must in this house to help our immune system. I'm going to put all the measurements up on the screen for you, but you're going to get your water and your elderberries, put it in a pot with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and ginger. Let that come to a boil and boil for about an hour. And then you're going to go ahead and drain it and get all the stuff out of it. You want to make sure you push down to make sure that you get all of the goodness in the elderberries out. Once you are done draining, you're going to add your lemon and orange, and then you want the elderberry syrup to cool, and then you're going to add your honey and give it a good mix. You can leave it in your fridge or you can can it like I am because I'm making a huge batch. Just put it in your jars and leave 1/8 inch headspace and then wipe your rims. And then you're going to water bath it for 40 minutes. Make sure it comes to a roiling boil before you set the timer. Take the jars out, let them sit for 24 hours, and you just canned elderberry. Elderberry syrup is really good in teas, or you can just take